Ying Stoller, a great Asian food cook, teacher, cookbook author, and entrepreneur, has brought her expertise to television, radio, print media, and trade shows. Now she brings it on the road.
Today we're here at Lakeshore State Park, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. There's an annual event, Dragon Boat Festival. You can see the dragon boats. They're getting ready to get the race started.
Dragon boat racing started in China over 2,000 years ago. The Milwaukee Chinese Community Center conducts this event every year. Over 40 different community groups and businesses enter teams to compete. Around the festival grounds, you can see teams gathering to warm up and wait for their turn to race. Besides the 20 people rowing in each boat, there is a steersperson in the back and a drummer who sits in the front.
After the fun event, we're getting a little hungry. So let's cook some lunch. What about noodles? Hi, noodle lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, tasty noodle dish, Lomein noodle dish. It's not only delicious, but also very economical. You can make it at home at hardly any cost. Simple but delicious. So today's Lomein noodles, I'm gonna use bean sprouts, chicken, sweet peppers, red onion, green onion, and Chinese Napa cabbage. Of course, the star of this recipe are these fresh Chinese Lomein noodles. If you can't find them in the grocery store, don't worry, just use linguine. They work great. First, I'm going to cut all the vegetables, slice peppers into long strips so they can complement the noodles. Then I'm going to slice onions and also cabbage. Next, I'm going to cut green onions into long strips. The diagonal cut will help cook them evenly and also more attractive. So it's important to get all your ingredients ready because the cooking goes very fast. Now let's prepare the noodles. For this type of noodles, all we need to do is pour boiling water over them and let it sit for about 2 minutes and stirring occasionally. Then we drain off hot water and rinse in cold water. After draining off with cold water, set the noodles aside for cooking. Today, I'm going to use lightweight cast iron wok. For this type of wok, you can heat first, then add a little bit of oil, swirl to cover the bottom to prevent sticking. First, we're going to add chicken. Stir until almost done. Then we're going to add vegetables in the order of those that need more cooking time. Let's start with onions. Stir them about 30 seconds. Then we'll add peppers, cabbages, and noodles. Now it's time to add sauces. Today I'm using Korean barbecue marinade and also spicy noodle for those of people who like spicy. I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Korean barbecue marinade and a dash of spicy noodle and stir until they are evenly cooked. Finally, add bean sprouts and toss for a few more seconds. Now it's time to plate our finished product. Look at that, so delicious. So now I'm going to add in some vegetables on top to make it more colorful and also appetizing. So let's give it a taste. This noodle is a little long. Super delicious. Vegetables still crunchy, the noodles still firm. The flavor with the sesame from the Korean barbecue and tiny bit spicy. Delicious.
For store locations and more recipes, go to yingskitchen.com.